We have another property for sale. The size is 1.8 hectares. Located in Balilihan, Bohol, near Tagbilaran City. Approximately 20 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. It is around third lot, ikatulong nga lote from the provincial concrete road. And that road is nearer to Balilihan, town proper, Lobok River, going to Lobok River and Mirror of the World into Tagbilaran City. So, ari tamo agi. This would be the supposed, no, the road right of way, no. Pero kita ni mo develop, guys, because the property is very cheap, very affordable. Imagine 1.8 hectares ang dirigid nga presyuhan dire, guys, ranging already from 150 to 250 pesos per square meter. So mao na gina market dire nga pricing dire, or let's say 100, pero kini may pinakanindot og pinakabarato. Kining road right of way, guys, gi-appeal na siya. It is included. Owner will provide, but you need to improve. Ikaw na mo develop. You are the one to develop, no? So kining mga this coconut trees is not part of the property, but it is the boundary. So boundary na siya, no? Then the property is good for farming, poultry, piggery. Kaya naman siya sa interior. It is in the center, no? In the middle of the trees. And then there is one mountain included. And this is tax declaration. Dili pa siya titulado, guys. But we know that it is alienable and disposable. So meaning, it can be converted into a titled property. Kining dapita nga side, guys, murag na nabakilid yun ni siya. But maybe you can have a, pwede ra ganig tao imura ning ikuan so that your car can access, no? So nindot ni pwede ni buhaton ni mog bee farm kay daghang kahoy. Bee farm pwede ka ani. Then it is really very quiet kay naa siya sa kuan, but it's not kuan gyud kanang dili siya kanang mingaw, because it's not really secluded, because there are neighborhood, no, na mga silingan. Although there are already foreigners have bought to the nearby, no, so mga dool. Although I have my client, no, diha dapita nakapalit sad. Then mo na gumikan lang sa because of the young trees, di pa ni dagko kanang maraming mga kahoy-kahoy ra, kanang na mga kahoy ra ni banwa, gitaw nag banwa kanang si player ani nga narani sa mga di pa siya matawo og jungle, guys, kay kuan ra man dili man siya dagko nga kahoy. It can be cut, so no restriction, you just cut, no, palimpyuhan ra nimo, no. So this is my name, no, Ninyo Humao Ascatorza. I am a licensed real estate broker with PRC license 0015450. Then you can contact me Facebook, Messenger. You can add me to Facebook. Then we have also this YouTube channel. So mana, guys. So gitawag nag we are the legitimate real estate brokers, no. Real estate sellers, kay na may uban nag post pod mana sang ila po nang diskarte, pero it is against the law, kay bawal man gyud magpost-post ka ng mga dili sila mga lisensyado unless mo pa-accredit sila sa mga brokers pareha nako. Then let's continue, no. Ang property gyud, guys, nindot kay ni pa, it's good for kanang gusto kag quiet living ba, kanang dili ka gusto saba, so you can live peacefully in the interior. Then you can still develop a part of this the mountain, no, kay mura man atbang, pero ang kini yung isa ka mountain, it's the one mountain is really included of the property, but it is not kuan, guys, it is not belongs to the government. It is a private, no. You can develop, you can make it into a good kuan kanang a good ang sa may buhaton nimo, basta makahimo ka, no. You can do anything you want, no, once you bought this property. Barato ra gyud ni siya guys. So this one, no, this mountain what I am talking, no, nani siya din at the back of this mountain, which is also flat, no, it's flat terrain, so it's part of the property. So mo ni siya guys, pwede nagbuhaton nimo murag tourist, no, or unsa may imong himuon, ganahan ka mag himog imuhang kaugalingong tourist spot, you want to make your own tourist spot, kini nindot ni guys. Oh, yeah, Bugno dere, it's really cool, no. Then imagine just only around 20 to 25 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. So as you can see, no, kana mga foreigners na guys, bag-o na kapalit ya. Then pwede ko ta mo shortcut ya because it's really nearer to the property, but you know there is one property nga nakaharang. There is one property that cannot be easily, no, to go inside this property. But we have already kanang given, no, or provide. So this is really 1 million pesos, barato gid kayo guys. Then last na nga price, that is fixed price, no. So mo na siya guys, no, 20 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City, and water, electricity, signal are available. Then mo na nakanindot ana guys. So very nice property. Then the accessible tourist spot, Tarsier in Corelia, Tarsier Sanctuary, Mirror of the World, Lobok River, going to Chocolate Hills. Daghan kag mapaingnan ani guys. May ni nakanindot, no. From Tagbilaran City, again 20 minutes, then Panglao International Airports, let's say 30 minutes drive, no, from White Sand Beaches. So mo nay nakanindot ani guys, nindot jud kayo nga tong property for sale. So kuan lang siya guys, kanang rolling terrain, and there are flat portions, no. Mo nay nakuha sa atong drone. We are using drone video, no. See, that road, no, that is concrete road, approximately 100 meters from concrete road. 100 meters from concrete road. Then if you have properties for sale, just contact me, then we'll help you sell your property. So Bohol and Cebu, prefer lang ko Bohol and Cebu. Pero nagyod mo taga-asa mo, tagailan ko papel, tagailan sa ko video, then so that I can publish on our YouTube channel. So mga niya mga surrounding guys, daghan yung kahoy, no. There are so many trees. May ganahan sa uban, ganahan kahoy, daghang kahoy, a lot of trees around. So people are where malain-lain man gyud. So lain-lain man ang plano sa tao, different plans, no. May ganahan daghang kahoy, na ganahan walay kahoy. So if you don't like trees, you can cut, because this is really very cheap or affordable. So mana siya guys. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We can process, no, transfer of title. So naman ko'y partners guys nga makatabang pod og process, not only just me. Okay, thank you and God bless to all.